friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making chicken breast in an air fryer in foil packets. For this easy recipe, we need chicken breast, olive oil or any kind of vegetable oil, or you can also use butter if you'd like. Seasonings, I'll use salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. You can use any seasonings you'd like. And I'm also going to top the chicken with lemon slices. So again, oil and seasonings and lemon, totally optional. It's just, one example of a flavor you can use, and you can use any seasonings you'd like. So what I'm going to do is, I'll just measure a sheet of foil. So I'm going to have each chicken breast in a foil packet. So I'm going to then season the chicken and add it to the foil and add it to the air fryer. So I will use a little bit of olive oil, and I'll brush chicken with oil. Now, if you don't want to use oil, you don't have to. It just makes it more juicy and moist, and also keeps it from sticking to the foil, but you can leave the oil out if you'd like. So I brushed the top of the chicken with oil, and now I'll sprinkle the seasoning. So again, there's salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And now I will flip it over and do the same thing on the other side of the chicken. So brush with oil. And sprinkle with the seasonings on this side. So now I'm going to add a chicken breast to foil, and I'm going to top it with lemon slices, and I will wrap it in foil. So you can just totally seal it in foil. It just keeps the juices inside. And I'll do the same thing with the other chicken. So I'm going to measure another sheet of foil. And I'll add the chicken, top with lemon. And close the foil packet. Now let's put chicken and foil in the air fryer. And let's put the basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And this was a pretty thick chicken, so I'll set the time to 30 minutes. And if you had thinner chicken, the time could be 20 or 25 minutes, depending on how thin is the chicken. So then we'll just check the internal temperature at the end to make sure it's fully cooked. So it's 400 degrees for 30 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. So here are the foil packets, and the first thing I want to do is to measure the internal temperature to make sure the chicken is actually cooked through. So you can even pierce the foil if there's no opening. That's fine. So it should be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So just poke it in a couple of places and make sure it's at least 165. Yeah, this chicken is fully cooked. So if it's less than 165 degrees Fahrenheit, then you can always put it back in the air fryer for an additional 5 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and see if it's cooked through. So cook until the internal temperature for the chicken is safe at 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So these are fully cooked. So take them out of the air fryer. And now let's open the foil and see the chicken inside. Perfect. They look amazing. See how the foil keeps all the juices inside? You can see the juices on the bottom. It looks so moist. Amazing. And another variation of this recipe is add more veggies under the chicken in those packets. You can really put anything in the packets to make it a complete meal. So it will just cook together in foil. And now let's try it. Let me just cut the chicken so you can see it inside. So perfectly cooked. It tastes amazing. The chicken is so soft and so juicy, and it's full of lemon flavor. So delicious. This is a great method of cooking it in the air fryer if you want a moist, juicy chicken. You will love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!